how to use nylon thread. So there's a lot of threads, cotton, polyester, elastic thread. There's elastic thread. We can cover that next time. But this time I'm talking about nylon thread. Nylon thread is very heavy. So you use nylon thread for upholstery mainly, but you could use it also on heavy material like backpacks, like uh, holsters, like military equipment too, and even clothing, because nylon is very strong. So I've been using 92, so it doesn't really, the numbers that don't really run like the polyester and cotton. I think it's 92, 60, and something else. But so here's a brand new nylon thread. This is a B69. I bought this for some projects I have, and then the one I'm using is black. So I'm currently using this one. This is supposed to be, this is 69 as well, but yeah, I thought it was 92, but this is 69, so it's not that thick. Normally I use like 92, but this is another nylon thread, and this one, actually this is black. What is it? So when you wind your bobbins, you have to go through this uh, loop first, and then you go around and come out again through this, and then you kind of go around your bobbin. Because if you do it like we normally do, which is basically coming from here, going straight behind the this slot, and then coming through this hole and then go to your bobbin, what's gonna happen is it's gonna slip out. It's not gonna stay. So same thing when you also go around your bobbins. Like in this case, it doesn't have any holes around, so you just have to kind of knot it in a way like you go around. You keep your thread like that. You go around, and then you keep it tight. So when it starts to wind, it's gonna pick up, because if you keep it loose, it just kind of unwinds automatically. That's how nylon is. And I'm sewing these huge covers, so it's perfect for the covers because it's the nylon. It's so strong, and with the walking foot, it's perfect match, and it's great. That's how you use um or that's where you use the nylon thread, because it's so strong. You can't really break it with your hand. Polyester you could, but nylon, it's, you can cut your finger like that. And that's what nylon thread is. It's super strong. I hope you're learning things from my shop to your shop. Um, Before you take off, check out the rest of my videos, and see you in the next video. God bless you all. Bye bye.